Are you struggling with hair fall or dull hair? Here's a simple DIY remedy you can make right at home. Onion coconut hair oil for stronger, shinier hair. Step 1. Chop 1 to 2 onions and add them to a blender jar. Step 2. Pour in a tablespoon of coconut oil. This helps blend the onions into a smooth paste. Blend it all together until smooth and creamy. Step 3. Take an equal amount of onion paste and coconut oil in a saucepan. Mix them well and simmer on a low flame for a few minutes. When the paste turns golden brown, remove it from the heat. Step 4. Let it cool down, then strain the mixture using a cheesecloth. Transfer your fresh onion oil into an airtight container. Optional. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to reduce the onion smell. How to use: massage the oil gently into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Do this regularly for strong, shiny, and healthy hair. Try this at home and let me know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, share,